Hi everybody, thanks for joining us. We're about to start testing this Li-Ning 3D break-free 80TD badminton racket. As always, I'm going to read out the manufacturer's specification and point out two important facts. One is that racket to racket there's always a small variation in these specs, and secondly, our own independent testing of these specs can quite often be completely different. This is the manufacturer's specification. The shaft stiffness is middle flex. Okay, so they describe it as between soft and hard, and they're saying it's right in the middle. The weight of the racket is 87 plus or minus 3 grams, so this means that the racket is in the 3U weight category. The balance point is 294 plus or minus 4 millimeters. Okay, so do not confuse this measurement with our own independent balance point checks. This is the manufacturer's specification, 294 plus or minus 4. Our own balance point checks won't correlate with this measurement. Okay, we're going to now do a racket weight test. We're going to weigh the racket and see how heavy it is. Okay, great, so that's just over the 3U bracket, but you know, just over. So at the higher end of the 3U bracket, it'd probably be the fair thing to say there. Okay, we're going to do a smash test on this racket now. Great, that's gone very well. We're now going to do a maneuver test, which basically tests the airspeed. How quickly does this racket move through the air? Brilliant, and finally we're going to do a control test, see how effective this racket is at controlling the shuttlecock. The results of these tests will be put onto our main site, which will be launched in a few months' time. For the time being, you can register for updates on www.badmintonracketreview.co.uk. There's loads more videos on this channel, so please be sure to watch them. Thanks a lot.